Greetings, interweebs, and welcome back to the studio. I don't know if I'm loud enough, but, hey, here I am. I apologize for not streaming on Wednesday. We had a friend over, and he's actually in the stream community with the studio. I have not gotten any new updates for the bulletin board, so yeah. Apologize there, but our bulletin board is as up to date as it's gonna be for the moment. What do I have to say? Reminder. The text down below can be translated, and if you can translate it, you get prizes. So, that is one prize for YouTube and one for Twitch. If it is translated by both, I will turn off the scrolling text and we will change the text for the next month or something. I don't know. But I'm only doing one per month, I think. Let's see here. What else? Other updates. No, other reminder. Yes, the stream format has changed. We have covers. We have manga covers on the waiting start screen, and we have the manga release to the left of that. Once the manga is complete, or once the chapter is complete, the chapter you see and can read on screen will no longer be available, and we'll start dropping pages for the next chapter forward. You'll be able to read that manga from there on the StumpyPup website, so keep an eye out for that release. Each chapter will come with its own cover art and its own set of pages, so keep an eye out for those. Thankmas is coming around soon enough. If you're watching this on YouTube, actually, if you're watching this on YouTube, let me check real fast and see if it's over by this point. Because I've already got my previous set of videos scheduled all the way up to part 10, so 10 videos. Let's see what day that is scheduled. November 14th. Ooh, that is right on top of Thankmas. Alright, so I guess by the time you're seeing this video, Thankmas will be pending or passed. So yeah, I guess hope you had a good Thankmas. And I hope you enjoyed what we did for Thankmas. Alright, let me run back to, oh, that's me. Let me run back to here. I don't think that I have any other updates, so I'm gonna hop on over to the actual content into Clip Studio Paint, and we're going to enjoy a productive stream. How does that sound, guys? If you have any other questions, or if you forget the commands for Fantasy Fight Live, you could just hop on over to that. You can ask me for those commands, or you can hop on over to, I believe it should actually tell you the commands. There's also a button, there's also a help command you can do. You'll have to ask me what that is too. Apologize. I should make it easier for you to find out though, so I'll work on doing that. Anyway, we're gonna hop on over to the content and actually draw something, yeah? Alrighty then. So, back on over to our drawing here. Let's see here. We're trying to get through this blade, so we gotta use it. Actually, we're gonna use a different color gray for the blade. We're gonna use a gold for this area, and then a blue in here. So I think we're actually done with this color. Yeah. Because we're going to use maybe this gray for the direction. That'll work. Actually, that one could be the other. It was almost there we go. That'll work. Then that'll be gold actually. So we can now hit Alt and grab the other gray again. Almost forgot to tap the camera. Alright, that should do it for that gray. I'll need a much brighter white to handle these clouds. Well, maybe not a bright white, but a different gray again. Did I go to eraser? No, I did not. Seems like I did, though. Not a clue what happened there. There we go. That works. I got plenty of time on the stream, or on the video, I mean. Nope. I know I said I'm a push type lefty, but I do pull occasionally. The trick is I follow the direction of whatever I'm trying to draw, because it helps me get the lines right. That'll work. Okay, here we go. There we go. So what everybody may not know is I've been attempting to hop into the physical fitness world as of late, which is why which is why I'm dressed like Goku, orange pants and the blue shirt and the wristbands. I have the jacket. I'm not wearing it now because it's hot. But I went ahead and grabbed some Taekwondo classes. And let me tell you something. There is nothing more tiring than a martial arts class. There's like nothing beats you up worse. I mean, it's extremely fun. And the community is super supportive. But just throwing the punches alone can be super tiring and painful. And that's just punches. That's not even considering the cardio exercises that make you do in class and the coordination exercises. Some of these lines are only getting redrawn because I don't like their thickness. Like for some of them it is the shape, but for others, I just want them to have a better thickness. There we go. And I may even be erasing those lines and doing or I may even be erasing the bottom side of the light lines and using a darker gray because I want to get the clouds, I want to shade the clouds with a darker color. But right now we're just dropping colors for the shading. Like right now we're just dropping outline colors. We got 30 seconds. What can we get started on? We'll get started on dude's hair in the reflection. Actually, it's a reflection, so maybe it should be lighter than it's supposed to be to indicate the grayness. But is that the same gray? No, it's not the same color black, which is good. Dang. We ran out of time. We didn't manage to get any of that done. Oh well. Okay. Thanks again, YouTube, for stopping by. Yeah. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you will. It does us a huge favor here at StumpyPup Studios. And if you got some time and are willing, hop on over to the Discord, join the community, hang out, talk, share your memes, share your music, share your work. It's all wonderful. Discover new streamers. Also pop on over to the Twitch where this actually streamed originally to catch the real stream and not these little chunky videos. Want to do that and hit the follow button, I would greatly appreciate that as well. What else? What else? What else? Dude. No, I think that pretty much covers it. Previous videos there. The next video is going to be in that direction. I am choking on my own throat, which means my throat is dry. So, I'm going to catch you guys in the next video over. Bye-bye.